Python program. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Hashtag sample data. X equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y equals 3, 5, 7, 1, 4. Hashtag line plot. plt.plot, x, y. plt.slabel, x-axis. plt.elabel, y-axis. plt.title, line plot example. plt.show. Hashtag bar chart. plt.bar, x, y. plt.slabel, categories. plt.elabel, values. plt.title, bar chart example. plt.show. Explanation. 1. Import matplotlib. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt imports the plotting module. 2. Data, x and y list store data for the plot. 3. Line plot. plt.plot, x, y, creates the line plot. plt.slabel, plt.elabel, and plt.title, add labels and a title. plt.show, displays the plot. 4. Bar chart. plt.bar, x, y, creates the bar chart. Similar labeling and title as for the line plot. plt.show, displays the chart. Key points. Customization. Explore matplotlib's extensive options for customizing plots. Markers, colors, line styles, grid, legends, etc. Annotations for highlighting specific points. Multiple plots. Create multiple plots in a single figure using subplots. plt.subplot, 2, 1, 1, for a 2x1 grid, first plot. plt.subplot, 2, 1, 2, for the second plot. Saving plots. Save plots as images for sharing. plt.savefig, my_plot.png. Integration with Power BI. Use Python scripting in Power BI Desktop for advanced visualizations. Import matplotlib plots as images or create them directly within Power BI.